When I see you up close.
Hi, I'm Cathy, Head Product Trainer at Sukin, and over the years I've built my routine to focus on keeping my skin naturally youthful and hydrated. My morning routine preps my skin for the day ahead by making sure it is well hydrated and protected. My morning routine starts by cleansing my skin with Sukin's Rosehip Nourishing Cream Cleanser. It's important to cleanse your skin in the morning as it removes any build-up from the night, and whilst hydrating the skin with a rich blend of rosehip and borage oils. After my skin is cleansed, I apply my purely ageless reviving eye cream. This is an essential part of my AM and PM routine. It's perfect for hydrating and smoothing the delicate area around your eyes. It contains the powerful natural ingredient of pure Robos that works to reduce the visible appearance of wrinkles by up to 78% just after 14 days, which is amazing. Before applying my moisturiser, I like to add a lightweight serum. 2 pumps is sufficient for your décolletage, neck and face. My go-to is the purely ageless intensive firming serum. Because of the naturally derived blend of pure Robos and acacia gum really work together to give you those short and long-term firming effects on the skin. This serum also works to protect your skin with cocoa butter, leaving you with a silky smooth complexion. To really lock everything in, I apply my purely Aegis Rejuvenating Day Cream, which is infused with white hibiscus and baobab to naturally plump and hydrate my skin. This product also contains my favourite anti-aging ingredients, pure Robos, which visibly reduces the first signs of aging. My key focus at the end of the day is to cleanse from any impurities and makeup whilst deeply nourishing my skin overnight. Cleansing is a non-negotiable at the end of the day for me. The double cleanse is really important. First cleanse is to cleanse your skin from any dirt and impurities and makeup accumulated throughout the day, and your second cleanse is to balance your pH level of your skin. At least once a week, I like to use our Rosehip Rejuvenating Facial Scrub, which uses a combination of rosehip seeds and walnut shell. These are finely ground and gentle enough to soften and remove dead skin cells without damaging the skin. I have dry skin, and before applying my night cream, I like to use an elixir. The purely ageless hydration elixir delivers immediate hydration with added anti-aging benefits. It is packed full of cranberry oil, vitamin A and E, and paracras extract that will improve the natural elasticity of the skin. To complete my nighttime routine, I use the purely Aegis Restorative Night Cream. I love finishing off my routine with a nourishing cream that rejuvenates my skin while I sleep. The pure Robos, macadamia oil, and cocoa butter does just this. It is also infused with white hibiscus and baobab, which improves the elasticity and visibly firm skin after just 14 days. I like to smother myself with my night cream, small amount emulsifying my fingertips, pat it onto my décolletage, neck and face, blend so as to lock in that hydration while I sleep. Thanks for following me through my daily skincare routine. I hope you picked up a few natural skincare tips that you can work into your own routines. For more information, head to our Sukin journal on our website.
You don't have to hide.